on microarray based multi-filter fusion, gene selection and ensemble classification of leukemia subtype by Ms. Lakshmini Udriman. Lakshmini obtained her BSc degree in Information Technology from Faculty of Information Technology of University of Moratuwa and her MSc in Computer Science from the University of Sri Jawaharlal. She is currently working as data administrator at University of Moratuwa. She is interested in field of bioinformatics and data mining.
My topic is microarray based multi-distribution gene selection and ensemble classification of leukemia subtypes. Nowadays, this is my overall presentation. Nowadays, cancer is a common deadly disease and leukemia is a type of blood cancer existing in bone marrow. There are two main types of leukemia known as acute and chronic. Where chronic type is needs immediate treatments. And also ALL and AML are the two main types of chronic leukemia. Basically, appearance of the tumors are considered for cancer classification, but it couldn't discriminate similar histopathology features. So imaging of microarray technology become a major advancement in cancer classification. Microarray technology enabled to see the thousands of genes at once and experiment results known as gene expression data, which represent by gene expression matrix. But this gene expression data has some problems. It has less number of samples and samples when compared to number of genes. This is known as curse of dimension problem in gene expression data. And also, all genes in gene expression data not relevant to particular disease. As you can see, there are 4 different genes which selected by different filter methods. Here, same genes has been ranked with a different rank by 4 different filter methods. And also when we consider one filter method, there are some genes which have same score but with different ranks. So how we can find the most relevant gene set for set to particular relevant to particular disease. There are filter, wrapper and embedded are the strategies in proposed in gene selection. Here we have focus on filters. So research question formulated by gene expression data is inability to recognize which informative gene list is more suitable for identify leukemia subtypes selected by different filter methods. As the solution, we have proposed multi-filtration ensemble classification method which included 3 main stages. And also there are 2 approaches, sequential and parallel. Parallel is a score-based one and sequential one is a multi-filtration based one. Then stage 3 is common for both approaches, while stage 1 and 2 are different in 2 approaches. Then you will see how these stages arrange in 2 approaches. This is an overview representation of multi-filtration parallel approach. Each distinct filter selects a set of genes which combine them across a scoring function, then do the data processing and ensemble classification. At this stage 1, we have selected 4 different filter methods and select gene list which are allied to each other. ReDFF, CFS, gain ratio and STM are selected individual filter methods. Then at the stage 2, propose a common score based method to select new subset of informative genes. Gene score calculation your main step in stage 2 in parallel approach. Here we assume that if score is a filter score obtained by a gene from individual filter criteria, then n is the number of individual filter criteria used in multi-filter fission. Here we have another parameter called Wi. It's a weight assigned by individual filter method, and here we assume that it has equal to 1. That means gene score is defined as according to this equation. But in some cases, algorithms are disabled to access some filter score while only they are able displaying gene ranks as the results. So such a scenario, this approach proposed a score calculation based on their rank. GR is the rank of particular gene produced by individual filter method. Then criteria are assigned score as follows. Then this MFF algorithm, we have implemented as a separate filter selection method using Java-based Vector API. Then this is how these stages has been arranged in sequential approach. In sequential approach, filter selection using individual filter methods and multiplication is doing at the same time. Then in here, selected filters are applied one after the other to gradually reduce the number of dimensions. There are 26 filter arrangements with selected 4 filter methods. But here we have only used 6 filter arrangement. Those are the selected 6 filter arrangements. The final stage of this method is ensemble classification. In ensemble classification, it's enabled to combine individual decision of classification decision of classifiers in order to obtain final prediction. Here we have designed classification model, combination of basic classifiers and ensemble classifiers. After a lot of literature reviews, we have selected Navier-Bayes and NN as the basic classifier, and also Adabust and Bagging with the ensemble classifiers. Then for the performance evaluation, we have used a benchmark leukemia dataset obtained from Broad Institute Data Repository, which consists of 72 samples and 7,129 genes. The performance evaluation of classification models has been doing on sensitivity, specificity, test classification error, and accuracy. According to the test classification error, results in table, multi-filter approach obtained the lowest error when compared to individual filter methods excluding CFS and SVM. Best results of each column I have highlighted in bold color. Then the best test classification error among the basic classifier represented by MFF sequential approach of combination of CFS, SVM with Navier-Bayes classifier. Then with the value of 0.12, MFF parallel has been obtained based ensemble classifier results. In addition to that, when compared to MFF parallel with basic classifier values to ensemble classifier values, IBP and NB both have doing improvement with the ensemble classifiers. Then MFF sequential approach obtains better results with individual filters. And also this is the comparison between proposed method and existing multi-filter schemes. As you can see, both approaches has been used identity and narrow-based classifiers, and also existing method obtain same test classification results for both classifiers, but in proposed method, MFF parallel obtain the best result for IDK, while MFF sequential obtain the best results and minimum overall minimum results for narrow-based classifier. And also this is the graphical representation for narrow-based classifier for existing method and proposed method. In addition to that, we have perform evaluate all the specificity, sensitivity and accuracy. In here, MFF parallel obtain best result for on those performance evaluation criteria also. In addition to then conclusion of my presentation is, as overall simulation results of 7 methods of MFF EC algorithm can effectively select a subset of small gene subset of for classification with low classification error. So as a future improvements, we can extend this into more general high dimensional data available area. Thank you very much.